Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble, and in this video we are going to see how to remove this watermark, activate Windows, and go to settings to activate Windows. This watermark is there whenever we don't activate Windows, whenever we don't have licensed copy of the Windows 10 operating system. If we have evaluation version, the time period is 90 days, and after that we get to see this message on the screen. So how to remove this message if you want to remove this? But before going ahead, I would request you to please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe, and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. If you want to support this channel, you will find Amazon link in the description. Add it to your favorites, and whenever you want to purchase something from Amazon, please use that particular link. So just check out the description for more details. Now we will go ahead and remove this activate Windows watermark. Just open Runbox with the Windows plus R key on your keyboard, then type regedit, hit enter. It will ask you user account control permissions, click on yes. Now this is registry hives and you have to click on H key local machine, then go to system. In the system you have to find out current control set, expand it, and then go to services. Expand it, just select any of the key and type SVSVC on your keyboard, and then look for start key. Double click on this dword value, you will find value as 3. Just change it to 4 and then click on OK. Close this registry, and then we have to reboot the computer. Now you can see activate Windows watermark has been removed with the help of registry key. But the real question is, does it really activate your Windows? So the activate Windows is a different process. You should have a genuine copy of Windows operating system, genuine license key, and then you can activate the Windows. You cannot activate the Windows by just doing registry key. So just check out if the Windows is activated or not. Just go to settings, and then go to system, and then about. Scroll down, check for change product key or upgrade your edition. So you would see that Windows is not correctly activated, and with this registry trick we can only remove watermark, that is Windows activate Windows watermark. So with the help of registry key trick we can only remove activate Windows watermark. We cannot activate the Windows. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe, and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.